Hello everyone, welcome to our virtual chemistry practical class. This is Mohammad Asif Iqbal, Department of Chemistry, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Today I am going to show you a chemical experiment from chemistry lab.
Dear students, the name of today's experiment is preparation of standard solution of sodium carbonate. Now you can ask question, what is standard solution? The standard solution is such kinds of solution which concentration or strength is known. Now what is the standard or what is the parameter of standard solution? The parameter of standard solution is molarity. Now come back to the point. What is molar solution? At certain temperature, the solution in which 1 mole of solute dissolve in 1 liter of solution. In this case, we are going to prepare 0.1 molar sodium carbonate solution or decimolar sodium carbonate solution. Now, what is decimolar solution? The decimolar solution is such kinds of solution where at fixed temperature 1/10 mole solute dissolve in 1 liter of solution. Now, to perform this experiment, the required apparatus are, you can see the board, volumetric flask, funnel, digital balance machine, wash bottle, as well as spatula. Required chemicals are pure anhydrous sodium carbonate and distilled water. For preparing standard solution, first we need to know what type of substance is sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is primary standard substance. Now, what is primary standard substance? Primary standard substance are such kinds of substances which remain intact a long period of time, or the substances which are not react with oxygen and atmospheric vapor are known as primary standard substance. And in this case, sodium carbonate is primary standard substance. Now, before preparing the solution, we must calculate the amount of sodium carbonate is required to prepare this solution. Now, you can see the calculation here. This is the formula of sodium carbonate, and from this formula we found 23 multiplied 2, as we know the atomic mass of sodium is 23 and 2 sodium are present here, that's why we multiply 23 by 2 plus atomic mass of carbon is 12 and atomic mass of oxygen is 16, and there are 3 oxygen present in here. Now the total amount is 106. Now the molecular mass of sodium carbonate is 106. Therefore, if we take 106 gram of sodium carbonate in 1 liter solution, then the solution which is prepared is known as molar solution. Now, in this case, we are going to take 250 ml 0.1 molar sodium carbonate solution. To prepare that amount of solution, how much sodium carbonate is required? Now, we can calculate this by the formula. We know S is equal to W into 1000 M divided by MV. Here S is equal to strength or concentration of the solution, and that is 0.1 molar, and M is
molecular mass of solute. In this case, this is 106. V is equal to volume of the solution. The solution which we are going to prepare is 250 ml or 250 centimeter cube. And last one is W. W is mass of the solute or sodium carbonate which we are taking to prepare standard solution. Now I am going to calculate and find out the amount of sodium carbonate. Here W into 1000 is equal to SMV, or W is equal to SMV divided by 1000. Now W is equal to, as we know, S is equal to 0.1, M 106 molecular mass, and volume of that solution is 250 ml and 1000, or W is equal to 2.65 gram. That means if we take 2.65 gram of sodium carbonate in 250 ml solution, then the solution which we will prepare is 0.1 molar or decimolar sodium carbonate solution. Now students, you can see all the apparatus required to perform this experiment in front of me. Now the first apparatus is digital balance machine. As we know that performing any experiment, measuring mass of chemical substance is utmost important, and this device is used to measure the mass of chemical substance, and this machine can measure 100 parts of 1 gram accurately. Now next apparatus is known as volumetric flask, and you can see in front of there are two number is mentioned in this bottle, and that is 250 ml 20 degrees Celsius. That means in 20 degrees Celsius temperature, if we take any chemical substance, any liquid substance up to this level, the volume of that liquid will be 250 ml. This apparatus is used to prepare standard solution. This apparatus is known as funnel. This is used to take liquid substance in different apparatus. This is wash bottle, and distilled water is taken in this wash bottle. And this two apparatus is known as spatula. And last one, required chemical, which is in the chemical pot. This is sodium carbonate. Pure anhydrous sodium carbonate is inside this bottle, beside distilled water in wash bottle. Now these all apparatus are used to perform this experiment. Students, now you can see we start on digital balance machine, and we are going to put watch glass on the balance machine, and you can see the mass of watch glass is 6.37 gram. So we need to deduce the mass of watch glass. Therefore we go re-zero or tire switch. Now the mass is 0, and now if we take any chemical substance, we can accurately measure the mass of that particular chemical substance. Now we are taking sodium carbonate. You can see we are taking sodium carbonate. We are taking sodium carbonate. You can see this is the sodium carbonate pot, chemical pot. And you can see as we take mass is increasing, and we can observe the mass on the digital balance directly, and the mass is increasing. You can see now we can see the mass is close to the required mass, so we'll be very careful to measure accurately. We are going to take 2.65 gram of sodium carbonate. Now you can see now the total amount of mass is 2.65 gram, and we are going to take this mass, few more or less, it is due to the movement of air surrounding us. And now we are taking the sodium carbonate. Now after taking the mass, we take a volumetric flux of 250 ml. We add funnel on the bottom of the bottle, top of the bottle, and taking the sodium carbonate inside the bottle with utmost sincerity, because if any of the granule go outside, the standard solution will not prepare. So we are taking water on the watch glass to take all the sodium carbonate inside the volumetric flask. You can see now all the sodium carbonate go inside the volumetric flux, and now we can wash out the funnel, and all the sodium carbonate will go inside the bottle. You can see now no residue is remaining on the funnel. Now we can see inside volumetric flask we take sodium carbonate and we add some water. We add also few water in the bottle and start to shaking the bottle to dissolve all inside the bottle. We will dissolve all the sodium carbonate inside the bottle by shaking water in volumetric flask. Now students, you can see all the granules of sodium carbonate is already dissolved. Now we will add extra water to volume the flask, and we will volume up to this level to make 250 ml solution. Now we are adding water through volumetric flask. To make sure that the volume is accurate, we'll add extra water through a dropper. You can see student, you can see very clearly that the lower part of the upper curve of water is touched. The volume is completed and we'll shake it properly. Dear students, now we complete prepare 0.1 molar 250 ml sodium carbonate solution. As we mentioned earlier that sodium carbonate is a primary standard substance. We can use this standard solution to measure the concentration of sodium hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid solution accurately. So this solution can be used to measure the concentration of other solution which is unknown. Thank you. Hope that all you understand the experiment.